Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Dr. Mayo with BizCrown Media, and today we're talking about creating posts on Google Business Profile. I'm going to show you how you could create it on a desktop, computer, or laptop, or using your mobile device. Now here's the deal. If you have a business, you need to be visible where your customers are searching for your products and services. And guess what? They are searching on Google. That's where Google Business Profile comes in. Think of your Google Business Profile as your digital storefront. It's what helps people find you, learn about you, and connect with you. But here's the surprising part. A lot of businesses aren't taking advantage of this, especially of the free tool they have on there to be able to post about their services and products. As you see here, 40% of businesses have never posted on their Google Business Profile. This indicates a significant missed opportunity for engagement and visibility. Now, on the flip side, 60% of businesses have published posts, showing that a majority are utilizing this feature for engagement. So imagine if your competitors are using this and you're not. Regular updates and posts about promotions, news, or updates can transform a profile into an interactive hub for the audience. So in this instance, you're creating a beautiful window web shop for your business. Think about walking in the store and seeing things on the shelf. That's what you're doing digitally with Google Business Profile when you're posting your services and products there. And so the best part of it all is actually that posting on your Google Business Profile isn't just about visibility. It's about creating trust and sparking engagement. So here in this guide, I'm going to show you how you can create posts on Google Business Profile if it's convenient for you to do it on the desktop, or if you're on the run and you just need to create a post on your mobile device, you can absolutely do that. And I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's dive in. Show you how to create a post on your Google Business Profile listing, which used to be Google My Business, but it's now called Google Business Profile. Now, this is not how to set up your account or add a business. This is just how to create a post on it. So this is thinking and hoping that you've already added your business and whatnot. So typically what I do when I'm going into the Google Business Profile is, of course, type in Google Business Profile and go to Manage Now over here, which goes to this screen, and then it goes to Manage Now over here. So a good way to go for your marketing is to make sure you are always updating your Google My Business so that all your posts and all your services show up right here to this part where you could see my mouse going round and round. As you could see, 5 days ago was when we added our last post, which said get fast results with our social media services. So we are just going to show you how to create that, because when you add an update and when you create a post, what's so cool is it goes over here so that when people search for you, they get to see this little shelf banner, the top shelf space in your views. Because, how many scrolls do you have to go down and you see here? But now let's create our post. So now once you log in, you could see you have your dashboard here and you have all of these icons here, but what we want to do again is create a post. So hit that arrow right there and you will see add update right here. That's how we can create a post. Now I will scroll down. Let's go down here again. And you could see that that same add update is right here, which I think is cool because you might just not know what your last post was. And if you go here, you might have created the whole post and not remembered that you did it. So being able to see your last post here gives you an idea of what next you can post. But you can also add an update here. Clicking this and clicking this take you to the same spot. And of course, this is our desktop, not our mobile phone. Just clearing that out there. Now, click Add Update. Once you click Add Update, what is cool is you have 3 types of posts that you can add here, right? One is Add Update, post updates to your customers on Google, which shows up there. Add Offer, create an offer and attract customers to your business, which is pretty cool. And then you can also add an event right here. These are the 3 updates that you can add. So what we're going to do, though, is create a post here. Now, once you do that, it gives you the opportunity to add the description of your posts over here, to add your photos over here, and to add a button over here, which is optional. You don't have to add the button, but if you are a marketer, you know how important it is to add a button. It's, a CTA, a call to action, because you want your customers to take an action. So, all right, so all your options are here. You can book right here. You can order online. You can buy, you can learn more, you can sign up, you can call now. And typically, depending on what you're doing, it will provide you the space to do what you need to put there, whether it's learn more, it's a link, or buy a link, order online, you can put that there, but we will show you how really soon. Okay. So let's add our description, and to make life easy, we typically just use an AI to do that. So what I'm going to do is pull our AI here, and I have typed my prompts in here, and so here we go. All right, so this time we're going to talk about commercial real estate services, and it's a Google My Business offer post, which is pretty much what we want to post here, but to make life easy, we're just going to use our AI tool. All right, so let's generate our caption here and see what it gives us, because that's just what we're going to copy, or at least selectively take stuff out of to paste in there, because at times you just don't want to copy what exactly the AI gives you. Okay, so BizCrown is a social media marketing company that specializes in providing services to the commercial real estate industry. We have been successfully helping our clients to grow their business on social media since 2013 and are looking forward to doing the same for you. Our social media marketing package includes Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn advertising, as well as access to our team of experts who will help you build your brand and generate leads with each post. In addition, we offer weekly reporting so you can see exactly what's working and what isn't. For more information, please visit www.BizCrown Media or services or contact us, which is pretty cool. Yep. All right. So we're going to just copy this. Some of it is not true, but we will make those changes here. All right. So we will copy that and go over here because that just looks very good. Now, what's awesome is we can view in the preview, you tend to see how exactly it looks. So let's go back here. BizCrown Media is a social media marketing company that specializes in providing. And what's also good is you can see this little arrow right here. You can just scroll down so you can see a better view right there. Okay. We have been successfully helping our clients to grow their business on social media since 2013. And that's actually, we started in 2015. So as you can see, and we're looking forward to doing the same. Our social media marketing packages include Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn advertising. So visit here for more information. Okay. So that's our caption that we've put in there, right? That we grabbed from our AI tool, which just seems perfect. We're going to add our picture. And what we do is click add your picture. And as you can see, you could browse or you could drag your file. And what we're going to do is just drag our file here. Let's see. Our picture should show up. And you can add, as you can see, up to 10 pictures that you can add there, up to 10 pictures. So, well, how about we add just another? Well, sorry, we can't do that. You got to click this before you can add or drag. So we're just going to drag another picture here. So now we have 2 pictures. Now let's hit our button because we want them to learn more, right? And we could just put bizcrownmedia.com. Right. And now we pretty much have our post. So let's see preview here and see that. So this shows you how exactly it's going to show up and how many pictures is there. And a good rule of thumb is just to read over here because, you might need to make edits. And when you need to make edits, just you go back there. So we need a period here. And let's see here. We are going to take this off because that shouldn't have been 20%. Link for your button. There we go. All right. And then preview our post again, as you can see. And what we do after then is just click post. Your update is being reviewed. If it isn't approved, you'll receive an email. And you typically do. Now, I will tell you, one of the things you want to avoid when you are posting is putting your phone number in the captions or putting your links in the captions. If you noticed, over here it lists, please visit www.BizCrown Media for your services or your phone number. Well, if you do that, Google typically deletes it. Why? Because I think they have created call to action buttons already for you. So again, if you add an update here, you can't put your phone number or your www. Your web name, can't put it there because you have call to action buttons here for that. And when I've done that in the past, and others have done that in the past, what you typically get is the post deleted and a message from Google. Now, let's talk about adding an offer. All right, so for your offer, you can add your offer title, as it says 20% off in store and online. You get to add the start date of when your offer starts. You get to add the end date of when your offer is ending. And also you can add more details, discount code, billing to redeem offer, their terms and all that conditional stuff. And you go about it the same way. You add your photos and you click post and the offer shows up there. Likewise, discard changes. If you don't want your post, you could discard your change like that. Likewise, an event. You add your event title, the start date of the event, the time of the event, the end date, the time, the event details, the button needed for you to have them sign up for the event or call you to book the event. You click post, and that typically goes to your events for people to book or for people to call you based on what your call to action button is. So that's pretty much how you can create a post on your Google business profile with the intentions of it being approved and showing up for it to display over here after your post has been approved. Now I'm going to refresh this page over here and see if it's been approved already, which typically shouldn't take that long, but let's see. Any changes we might have made might reflect here. Oh, wow. We have nothing showing up. So I will do BizCrown Media again. Let's see. It could be just the updates too. There we go. As you can see, now we have the post here and you can see what we just posted shows up here. But that's how you can create a post on Google My Business. All right, going to show you how to create a post on your Google business profile. But what you want to do, first of all, is download the Google Maps app. And once you do that, launch it and go to your profile picture right here to get to your business profile, which is right here. Tap your business profile and choose the business you want to post on. So we're going to pick that. Now, after doing that, you're going to look down here and scroll to the right and go to updates. Now, over here, you can add offer, add event, add update, and that's what we're going to do. Choose your picture right here. Done. And let's post our content that we've pasted there. Publish right there. And you have your post. But that's how you can create a post on Google Business Profile using your mobile phone. Hope this was helpful. And like and subscribe our page if this was helpful so we can always give you great content that just makes life easier for you.